Hello, everyone, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, we're going to do trust and what it means to be trusting. So, let's take a moment to create sacred space and go within, to go deep within the soul essence of you, the being, letting go of the world, letting go of your to-do list, letting go of duality and all that is happening upon the face of the earth and in the atmosphere of the earth. We're going to gently move through a stargate, a beautiful stargate, into the quantum, into the higher frequencies of consciousness that is your I am. And you're going to breathe in on that cosmic level. You're going to breathe in and become one with the vibration of trust. Complete trust in self. Complete belief and trust in self. Complete trust and belief in your creator. And now you're going to bring this awareness, this vibration and frequency of trust into your emotional life, into your physical body, into your mental body, into your relationships, into your business, your private practice, into all your close and intimate relationships, present and future. Trusting in your guides, trusting your inner child, trusting in knowing who and what you are and how you serve, trusting your intuition and your own knowingness of things, and trusting your body. Trusting your body as a vehicle, as a messenger for your learning and your remembrance. So, gently coming back to the body in the room now, bringing with you now more trust in all that you do and all that you are and all that you say. Feel the energies of trust surrounding you like a blanket of comfort and nurturance. Feel the light surrounding you. And knowing that you are loved and supported always 24/7, no matter where you are and what you do. So thank you for joining me today for another joyful tune-in. So after you sign up, you will get these monthly reminders, these joyful tune-ins every Monday via email. As a reminder to stay on track, to stay on course, to stay on purpose. So until next time, many blessings. Have a beautiful and wonderful day.